Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 3rd July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. International Plastic Bag Free Day is observed every year on. Answer is 3rd July. International Plastic Bag Free Day is celebrated on 3rd July every year. The day is dedicated to promoting a zero-tolerance approach to plastic pollution and the importance of recycling and composting plastic waste. 3rd July was chosen as the date for the first International Plastic Bag Free Day, coinciding with the birthday of renowned conservationist Sir David Attenborough, a strong advocate for environmental protection. Question number 2. Where has the world's largest naval exercise, REMPAC, started recently? Answer is USA. Indian Navy has deployed frontline warship INS Shivalik for the world's largest naval military wargame, Rim of the Pacific exercise, REMPAC, in Hawaii, island state of the United States. 29 nations, 40 surface ships, 3 submarines, over 150 aircraft, and more than 25,000 personnel are going to train and operate in and around the Hawaiian Islands during the exercise. This exercise is taking place from 27 June to 1st August. Question number 3. Who has become first country to prepare a checklist of its entire fauna population? Answer is India. As per the Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bhupender Yadav, India has become the first country to prepare a checklist of its entire fauna population, covering 104,561 species. He also formally launched the Fauna of India Checklist portal, maintained by the Zoological Survey of India, which contains the checklist. The minister also inaugurated the second Animal Taxonomy Summit 2024, organized by Zoological Survey of India at Kolkata. Question number 4. Who has won the 2024 Lyon Master Chess Championship? Answer is Viswanathan Anand. Former world chess champion Viswanathan Anand of India has won the Lyon Master Chess Championship for the 10th time. He defeated Jaime Santos Latasa of Spain in the final 3-1, played on 30th June 2024 at Lyon in Spain to win the 2024 Lyon Masters. 5-time world champion Viswanathan Anand has previously won the Lyon Masters in 1996, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2011, 2016, and 2024. And now, you can purchase our monthly current affairs PDFs. Last 6 months, January to June 2024, current affairs PDFs available at 189 rupees only. You can check video's description for purchase link, or you can WhatsApp me for PDFs. Question number 5. Recently, who has announced his retirement from T20 International? Answer is Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and Ravindra Jadeja. Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and Ravindra Jadeja have announced their retirement from T20 International cricket after winning the World Cup final against South Africa. Rohit Sharma played 159 T20 internationals, in which he scored 4,231 runs at a strike rate of 140.89 and an average of 32.05. Virat Kohli ended his 125-match T20 international career with 4,188 runs at an average of 48.69 and strike rate of 137.04. Question number 6. How much amount was announced for Team India after T20 World Cup win by BCCI? Answer is 125 crore rupees. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has announced a massive prize money of 125 crore rupees for Team India after winning the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024. India has created history by becoming the first team to ever win the T20 World Cup, not having lost a single game throughout the tournament. The International Cricket Council, ICC, had already announced a record prize pool of $11.25 million for the T20 World Cup 2024. Question number 7. Who becomes second Indian women cricketer to take 10 wickets in a single match? Answer is Sneha Rana. Indian women's team star Sneha Rana scripted history as she became the first Indian spinner and second Indian women cricketer to achieve 10 wickets in a single match. Rana picked up an 8-wicket haul in South Africa's first innings and followed it up with 2 wickets in the second innings. In 2006, Jhulan Goswami became the first Indian women's cricketer to complete a 10-wicket haul in Test cricket. Question number 8. Who has launched the eSankhiki portal for ease of data access? Answer is Arvind Panagaria. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, MoSPI, has launched the eSankhiki portal, an online platform which will offer real-time data to planners, policymakers, researchers, and the general public. It aims to establish a comprehensive data management and sharing system. The portal was launched by Dr. Arvind Panagaria, Chairman of 16th Finance Commission of India, on occasion of National Statistics Day, on 29 June 2024. Question number 9. Who has been elected as the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Manoj Singh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has appointed Manoj Kumar Singh as the new Chief Secretary. Singh, an Indian Administrative Service (IS) officer from the 1988 batch of the Uttar Pradesh cadre. He will succeed Durga Shankar Mishra, who is from the 1984 batch of the same cadre. Singh will also continue as Infrastructure and Industrial Development Commissioner. Question number 10. Nikunj Bihari Dhal has been appointed as the additional Chief Secretary of. Answer is Odisha. The Odisha government has appointed senior IS officer Nikunja Bihari Dhal as the additional Chief Secretary to the Chief Minister. In 1993 batch IS officer of Odisha cadre, he is presently serving as Chief Electoral Officer, CEO, of Odisha from March 2023. He took charge from the outgoing Chief Secretary, Pradeep Kumar Jina. Question number 11. Who has been awarded the 12th World Hindi Award recently? Answer is Dr. Usha Thakur. Dr. Usha Thakur was awarded the 12th Vishwa Hindi Samman, World Hindi Award, in the Hindi Samvad program, organized by the Indian Embassy in Nepal. This award recognized her contribution to the development of Hindi literature. Dr. Thakur has translated more than 40 works in Hindi and Nepali, which has strengthened the Hindi language. Question number 12. Chief Minister of which state recently launched the Kisan Samman Nidhi? Answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma launched the state government's Mukhyamantri Kisan Samman Nidhi at a function held at Krishi Upaj Mandi in Tonk, Rajasthan. The Chief Minister released 650 crore rupees as the first installment to about 65 lakh farmers of the state. The eligible farmers of the state will get the benefits under the state scheme as well as a payment of 6,000 rupees per year by the central government under the PM Kisan scheme. Question number 13. Recently, which country has been placed in the regular follow-up category by FATE? Answer is India. India has achieved a top rating from the Financial Action Task Force (FATF) for its efforts to combat money laundering and terrorist financing. India has been placed in the regular follow-up category, a status shared by only 4 other G20 countries. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.